So here we go. Peugeot e-208. Got a loaner here. Just trying it out. I don't know if it's been charging overnight. No, it doesn't show, but yeah, here we go. So it claims it's going to be able to do 298 kilometers at 100% state of charge. Been charging with the travel charger. So inside the car, it's got a sleek design, I must say. This steering wheel, I don't know about that though. Flat top, flat bottom. I guess it's the only way to see the somewhat obscured dashboard. Yeah. Being a French car, I bet it got some funny quirks or features, if you so like. So let's start it up. Okie dokie. As you can see, 298 kilometers of range. Let's turn that on. I don't know what it says here. In here it's 3 degrees. I guess that's because the garage door is open. I'm gonna try and set up my GoPro, so see you in a bit. So I just changed it to eco mode, so it says 312 kilometers. I think that's the full theoretical range, or VLTP range. If the batteries aren't preheated, I don't think that's going to be doable. It's now -1 according to this. It's a hell of a lot colder, but I guess the French temperature gauge isn't working as it should just yet. Yeah. Let's keep going. Still 312, -7 degrees, doing 20 on the AC. Here we go. So, at the crossroads, done 20 Ks thus far. Lost a bit more, as y'all can see. -10 here, -11. It's a bit cold. I think once I arrive at the shops and need to do some shopping, I'm gonna charge some because I need to run this in normal mode. I'm gonna be freezing my nose off. So check the auto from start of the movie, and we've done 52 kilometers thus far. Gone from 312 kilometers range to 198. Now I gotta do some shopping, so I'm gonna charge it. So shopping, you get some free charge. I think it's only, I gotta check, but I think it's only an 11 kilowatt charger, so it's not gonna give a hell of a lot. But here's the car. It's a nifty little car with the saber tooth lights and so far. So as I said, now I'm going to be doing, I'm going to drive it in normal. Eco, it was a bit too cold, my nose was friggin' frozen off. Start it up. So 206 kilometers. So on this charge, I think it was like 40 minutes. Only got what, 8 kilometers of range? Jesus. Okay, here we go. Nope, not eco. Normal. Think I'm gonna bump it up to 21 degrees. Here is where the NFC charge, QI charge would be. This one is not, obviously not equipped with that. But yeah, inside, it's a nifty little car. Panoramic roof. Maybe I should close that. Maybe it will retain some of the heat in the car. So 1703 has the odo. So let's hit the road. So I switched to eco mode again because frankly I was getting hot at 21 degrees. I've done that for, I don't know, 10 minutes and now I'm freezing again. It says that my range is 156 kilometers. From here I got about 60k to go. So I'm not gonna say that I'm getting range anxiety just yet, considering I only got what, 40 k's to go, something like that. But trust me, out here you don't want to get stuck without electricity. Sure, in a petrol car or diesel car, someone can top you up, but here, oh Lord, you're at the elements' mercy. I think I've met, I don't know, 2 cars in the past 25 minutes. Not many houses around. I think there's going to be a few in 8 clicks. Yeah, but it's warm though. 9 degrees, negative. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on rolling. It's, as you can see, obviously, and focus. It's hard doing this when you're driving. I know you shouldn't. At half, approximately 110 k's. I might be adding, I don't know, 20, 30 k's at the end if I got the range, just to see how far you can get. But for now, I'm just gonna keep rolling. So see y'all in a bit.
you.